If you've been told to just start walking to lose weight, but your arthritis makes every step feel like bone on bone, this is for you. Today we're using purposeful movement to protect your cartilage while we burn fat. I'm Suzanne Anders, and my approach is rooted in physical medicine and occupational therapy exercise. With 30 years of experience, I'm showing you how precision loading can actually help heal your joints while you walk. Make sure you don't miss a single day of this medically backed 30-day challenge. Do your body good and subscribe. All right, grab some water and let's start healing together. Starting with a joint fit slim walk where we're walking in place. Move with intention by consciously contracting your abdominals, your hips, and your buttocks. This will take pressure off of your back, hips, and knees. And we're using my signature precision loading, so it may look like we're just moving, but by consciously contracting your muscles with every step, you're decreasing the load on your joints and increasing your metabolism.
Every step is lighter. I'm breaking the chain. Power in the movement. Losing the pain.
Transition to the no impact heel toe walk. Roll through your foot and contract your shins. This is precision loading in action, creating a muscular shock absorber that protects your ankles from the ground up. Into the agility walk. You're going to be walking forward and back. Keep your glutes contracted as you transition. Now, to someone watching, this looks simple, but because you're loading the muscles with intention, you're building the stability your hips need for real-world movement. Step side to side for hip stability side steps. Contract your outer thighs. This isn't just a step, it's a muscular brace for your hip joints. This technique provides results by taking the pressure off of your bones. Stronger muscles means decreased joint pain. Into your forward and back joint fit slim walk. Now remember, every time you contract your muscles, you're creating a living splint for your joints. Stronger muscles act like internal shock absorbers, so they take the pressure off of your bones and keep it where it belongs, in the muscles. This is the key to lasting pain relief. When the muscles do the work, the joints get to rest and heal. Rise up for the ankle strengthening walk. Squeeze your calves tight. You're loading your lower legs to improve your balance. You're doing an evidence-based movement designed to keep you steady and independent. Increase the speed and keep your calves and ankles tightly contracted. Think of your lower legs as powerful springs. By loading the muscles this way, we're building the balance insurance you need for the real world. You're burning more calories and firing up your metabolism. But because your muscles are fully engaged, your joints stay protected. Stay light, stay tight, and feel that strength building. Let's pick it up for the metabolic march. Keep your muscles tight. Because you've stayed contracted, your body is working 10 times more than a regular walk. You're firing up the fat burn and healing your body at the same time. Keep your posture upright with a tall spine. Contract your abdominal muscles. Firm your chest and shoulders by tightening up the muscles in your arms as you swing your arms. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. This breathing pattern boosts oxygen into your cells, helping your body burn energy more efficiently and reduce joint stiffness. Okay, it's time to hydrate, so grab some water. Healthiest blessings. And while you're sipping your water, comment down below, what's your favorite exercise today? Up next is the Precision Power Walk. Pick up the pace, but keep the control. Drive your arms back with tense triceps and contracted shoulders. Even though you're moving faster, there's still control in the step. Every strike of the foot is purposeful. Feel your heart rate rise while your muscles act as shock absorbers for your joints. Move into knee support curls. Contract your hamstrings as your heel comes up. This supports your knee joints from behind. You'll feel the results quickly because you're targeting the exact muscles that protect your joints. Step foot back, front heel down, chest tall. Lower only as far as feels good. Knees stay stacked over ankles. Press through the heel to stand, slow and controlled. Now inhale through your nose, expand your belly, exhale through your mouth. We're getting ready for the metabolic march again. Keep your muscles contracted as you bring up your knees and swing your arms. The arms are still a controlled swing. And a tall spine to take the pressure off your joints. Take it wide for hip stability side steps. Contract your outer thighs. This isn't just a step, it's a muscular brace for your hip joints. This technique provides results by taking the pressure off of your bones and putting it on the muscle. Bring it down to the recovery reset walk. Even as we slow down, keep that light contraction. You're flushing your joints with blood and oxygen to speed up your recovery and decrease joint pain. Left foot out for hip joint juice move. Gently roll the hip. You're stimulating that natural lubricant, the joint juice, to oil the hinges. This restores your range of motion and gets rid of that stiff, grinding feeling. And other side now. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Into vital flow. Deep breath in, expand your ribs, and exhale slow. You've used precision loading and focus today. That is how you get results without the pain. Well done. Thank thank you for taking time to care for a very important person, you. If you're enjoying this movement but want to change of scenery, you'll love doing the arthritis walking workout with me in the stunning Butchart Gardens. Plus, on the DVD, a seated and a standing level are demonstrated, giving you the choice to sit or stand depending on how your joints feel that day. Check the link below to bring the gardens home. Or visit us at healthwiseexercise.com. That's healthwiseexercise.com.